Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make outline text effect in Canva. What you need to do. First, just go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the search bar just type the design you are looking for. For example, Facebook post, Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, etc. Okay, I will go with YouTube thumbnail. Just you can type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar, but I have it here, you see it, YouTube thumbnail. Just click here. After that, click uploads and then upload files. Okay, here is the image. Just drag and drop. And after that, just click BG remover. And then share and download. And here, transparent background and download. Okay, now go to uploads, upload files, and here is the new file. Okay, now here just delete this one and change the background color. Okay, for example, yellow, and then uploads. Here is the new one. After that, go to text and then add a heading, and here you can type, for example, fashion. Okay, increase the font size. And change the text color to white. And then right click and layer, then backward, and then duplicate the text. and then go to effect and hollow, and here the thickness, just you can decrease it to 3, and then just move this little bit here. Okay, and then after that just click share, download, and download again. This is what you need to do if you want to make outline text effect in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.